Hi everyone, it's Lizzie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this super cute no face charm using polymer clay from Studio Ghibli's Spirited Away. So the polymer clay colours that you'll need are black, white, and the purple colour that I'm using is called lavender. So I'm also using a tile just to put the finished piece on because I know I'm clumsy and will probably end up squishing it. So you first want to start off by taking some black clay, conditioning it. My clay was really hard. Then roll it into a ball and sort of shape it into a tapered, rounded off cone. If you follow what I'm doing on the video, it will make a lot more sense. So I'm literally just rolling it on the surface and making it sort of into a log and then squishing just the top section so it goes off into a tapered shape like this. Now the body's done, it's time to start on the face. I'm using white polymer clay for this, so you'll just want to condition it, roll it into a ball and then flatten it into a sort of elongated oval shape. For the eyes, take some black polymer clay, roll it into a log and then you can cut off a small section. I actually ended up rolling this out and cutting it in half again, but you're making two really tiny logs and then you can position those on the face for the eyes. I then repeated this process to make the tiny little lines that go underneath his eyes. I used the same method to make the mouth, except I just flattened the log just a little bit and curved it up at the sides, then positioned it on the very bottom of the face. Now the face is nearly finished, so you just want to take some lavender polymer clay and roll this out into a really thin sheet on your work surface. From here you can now cut a strip and then from this strip cut out 4 really small thin triangles. An easy way to do this is to simply just zigzag the blade across the strip and you will end up with 4 equal triangles. I did have to slightly reposition the mouth since I didn't have enough space for the triangles below the eyes, but this was an easy mistake to fix, so don't worry if it happens to you as well. Just gently push the top of the mouth down and you will have a little more room to work with. All I'm doing here now is adding the final piece of purple to the face. This is simply just a tiny little log and then you can position that below the mouth and then put the face onto the body. If you're turning this into a charm, don't forget to insert an eye pin and then you can bake according to package's instructions. Once baked, you can glaze your charm if you'd like. I always use UV resin as my glaze. This just makes it extra shiny and it's a bit more durable than normal glazes, but of course you can use any glaze that you have. And your no face charm is complete. I think he's so cute and I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel because I post a lot of content like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.